Real English Conversations with Emma.
Whoa, Emma, you're absolutely soaked.
I know, the forecast said sunny today. I didn't bring an umbrella.
It's really pouring out there. Come in, quick.
Ugh, my shoes are squishy. I feel terrible.
Don't worry about the floor. Here, let me take your wet bag. Sit down on the bench. I grabbed a towel for you.
Oh, thanks, Liam. I can do it.
Shh, just freeze for a second. You'll catch a cold if your hair stays wet.
You really don't have to do this.
I know, but I want to. Better?
Much better. I feel human again.
Good. I made you hot chocolate. Extra marshmallows, obviously.
You are seriously the best roommate ever.
Just the best roommate. That's all.
Drink your cocoa, Liam. Just one little snack. I'm so hungry.
Caught you red-handed.
Ah! Liam! You scared the life out of me.
It's 2 a.m., Emma. What are you hunting for?
I couldn't sleep. My stomach was growling too loud.
Move over, amateur. Let a professional handle this.
I was just going to have cereal. You don't have to cook.
Cereal is boring. I'm making my midnight special grilled cheese.
You're only doing this because you're hungry too, aren't you?
Maybe, but I'm mostly doing it so you don't starve. Grab the butter for me.
Wow, Liam, this is actually amazing.
Of course it is. I told you I'm a pro.
Seriously, thank you. You're too good to me sometimes.
Well, someone has to look after you.
Shut up and eat your sandwich.
You're finally settled. I was about to send out a search party.
It's been a long day, Liam. Everything that could go wrong did.
I saw the rain through the window and kept checking my phone. Why were you so late?
The bus broke down right when the storm started. I was stuck at the stop for ages.
Emma, why didn't you just call me to go pick you up?
I thought about it, but I knew you were finishing your work report. I didn't want to bother you.
Bother you? Emma, it was a thunderstorm.
I know. I just felt bad asking. I thought I could handle it.
Next time, just call. I don't care what I'm doing. I'd rather be bothered than have you stuck in the rain.
Okay. I promise. I'll call you next time.
Good. Now, tell me, what else happened today? You look like you've seen a ghost.
Not a ghost, just a very long meeting and a broken coffee machine.
Rough day. Go get some sleep. I'll make the good coffee tomorrow morning.
Deal. Good night, Liam.
Oh, and Emma,
Yeah?
if that thunder gets too loud again, or you get scared, you know where my room is. Just knock.
I'm not 5 years old, Liam. I'll be fine.
Sure. Good night, tough girl.
Good night. Great job practicing today. Remember, the more you practice these conversations, the more confident you'll become in real situations. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical English conversations. See you in the next lesson.